547 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 29th August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 29, 2020, 433 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 16,553. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,646. Total recovered cases stands at 12,729. Total 178 deaths are reported till August 29, 2020. 70 years male from Bicholim admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 20th August 2020. 30 years male from Old Goa admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 29th August 2020. 68 years male from Fatorda admitted at ESA Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 29th August 2020. Out of 2,830 samples tested, 1,942 are negative, 547 are positive, 341 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation was 118. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 31, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 29th August 2020. Breakup of total 3,646 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 68, CSC Sakre 111, CSC Pernam 113, CSC Valpai 107, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 179, USC Panji 167, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 81, PSC Petki 68, PSC Kandolim 74, PSC Kansarvarnam 31, PSC Korwai 99, PSC Kolem 136, PSC Chimbal 106, PSC Shuolim 72, PSC Porvorim 197, PSC Mayam 48, Travelers by Road Flight Train 8. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 91, CSC Kankona 76, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 482, USC Vasco 239, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 48, PSC Kansavlim 101, PSC Chinchanim 31, PSC Kortalim 69, PSC Kurtorim 95, PSC Lutolim 65, PSC Marsayam 40, PSC Kapam 111, PSC Sangam 35, PSC Shiroda 72, PSC Darbandara 52, PSC Ponda 266, PSC Navilim 108. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.